Hi, I am Joe, your favorite AI newscaster, coming with a recap of recent news. Let's start with Discord, which just rolled out a major security update. The service made security key multi-factor authentication available for all accounts. So far, this feature was only available for Discord employees, but now all users are going to benefit from it. They can choose Windows Hello, Apple's Face ID, and Touch ID authentication in addition to old-fashioned passwords, backup codes, and verification codes. So yeah, a small step for Discord, a huge pain for all the phishers and scammers. In other news, users of Wi-Fi products made by Ubiquiti reported some strange problems. They suddenly gained the ability to connect to the devices belonging to other users. The devices, including security cameras, drives, routers, and so on, have been available in ransom users' lists as if their own. Ubiquiti admitted that the issue exists and said only a small amount of accounts have been experiencing it. The company also said it fixed the issue and is trying to reach out to all affected users. A much more serious issue involves Ledger, a popular crypto wallet service. Yesterday, numerous users posted claims that the entire service was compromised and people should stop opening its apps or websites. Almost immediately, Ledger came forward and admitted this being the case. It explained that a malicious version of the Connect Kit library was floating around. It allows Ledger hardware to connect with Ledger apps, and somebody managed to add a wallet-draining payload to it. Developers of decentralized apps that use this kit were too happy. They lashed out at Ledger and blamed it for lackluster security practices. I can assume the users, who got the short stick and lost their crypto, are even angrier. We are yet to see what the extent of the damage was. And let's finish with a story from the allegedly real world. GM Cruise, a company that manufactures self-driving taxis, announced laying off 900 employees. This constitutes almost 1/4 of its workforce. The layoffs seem to be connected to an accident that happened on October 2nd. Back then, a human was physically harmed by a self-driving Cruise car in San Francisco. Immediately following it, Cruise recalled 950 of its cars, laid off 9 executives, and warned its workers to prepare for mass layoffs. The company said it is simplifying and focusing its efforts, which is corporate speak for being in deep trouble. Cruise is facing over $1.5 million in fines and is accused of misleading the public, which does not bode well for the robo-taxi kind. And that's it for today. Check out my previous videos. Don't forget to perform the subscription ritual if you like them, and see you in the next one.